In a world that moves fast, you need a vehicle that can keep up. Introducing the 2007 Chrysler Town & Country Touring, a minivan that redefines family travel. Great for picking up the kids from sports activities. With room for the whole family, the Town & Country Touring offers a luxurious ride without compromising on space. Enjoy comfortable seating for 7, versatile stow-and-go seating, and ample cargo space for all your adventures. Powered by a 3.8-litre V6 engine, this minivan combines power with efficiency, so you can go further, wherever life takes you. Safety, comfort, and style, all in one. The 2007 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. Drive your family forward. That boy Sheezy always has the deals.